Setting up asset groups in Tenable can really make a difference when you're looking to organize your scans and manage vulnerabilities more efficiently. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up asset groups in Tenable step by step, and by the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of how this feature can help you improve your scanning workflows. Stick around because I'll also share how you can use this software completely free, with some exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Next thing you'll want to know, when you're in Tenable, asset groups are essentially collections of assets, which could be anything from servers to workstations or even cloud-based systems. The reason these groups are so helpful is that they allow you to organize your assets in a way that makes vulnerability scanning more targeted and manageable. Whether you're running scans on a single asset or multiple systems, asset groups help you keep things organized. The first step in creating an asset group is to navigate to the Assets tab within Tenable. Once you're there, you'll see a list of your assets. From this page, click on Create Asset Group. It's usually located at the top right of the screen. This is where the magic happens. Once you click that button, you'll be prompted to name your asset group and, optionally, assign a description that helps you remember what this group is for. The next thing you'll need to do is add assets to your new group. This is as simple as selecting the assets you want from your asset list and clicking to add them to the group. You can filter your assets based on criteria like asset type, location, or even tag, so it's really customizable to suit your needs. If you're managing a large number of assets, using tags and filters is a great way to stay organized and ensure you're only including the assets that matter for the group you're creating. Now that you've added assets to your group, you can configure additional settings for the group, like specifying how often scans should be run. This step is key because, by grouping assets with similar scanning needs, you can streamline your scanning schedules. This means you're not scanning everything all at once, and you can focus your attention on the areas that need it most. The fourth thing to note is that once your asset group is set up, you can apply it to your vulnerability scanning tasks. This is where the real power of asset groups shines. When you run a scan, you'll select your newly created asset group from the drop-down menu. The scan will then target only the assets in that group, which saves you time and reduces the complexity of running broad, unnecessary scans across all your assets. Finally, a great feature to remember is that you can modify asset groups at any time. If you add or remove assets, you can go back and update the group to reflect these changes. This flexibility ensures your asset groups stay current as your network evolves. You're always in control of how assets are organized, which is perfect for any IT security team that needs adaptability. Before I wrap up, remember that setting up asset groups in Tenable is an easy yet powerful way to take control of your vulnerability scanning. And don't forget, you can get Tenable completely free with an exclusive extended trial using the link in the description below. I hope this video helped you understand how to set up asset groups in Tenable and why it's such a valuable feature. If you want more tips or have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.